A flawless mirror-like surface depends on one thing: a perfect bond. Fisheyes and craters happen when the epoxy meets a spot it simply cannot stick to. The main culprits are oil, dust, moisture, or even a single fingerprint. Thick epoxy is very sensitive to silicone residue from household cleaners. One tiny speck creates a dead zone where the resin just refuses to spread, and it'll show immediately. Airflow is another silent enemy. A draft or a fan can push microdust into your wet pour, and a crater forms around every particle as the resin shifts. You also need to watch your depth. If your layer is thinner than 3mm, it won't have the weight to flow over small flaws. In fact, a thin coat usually just highlights the imperfections instead of hiding them. Then, to get that glass finish, start by sealing porous materials like wood or canvas. This stops air from escaping and causing trouble from underneath. And once it's clean, keep your bare hands off the surface. Your skin oils are the hidden saboteurs here. Keep the room totally still while it cures, turn off the fans and close the door to keep things dust free. Finally, always pour a true flood coat to 3mm. If this helped, share it with a fellow maker and let me know in the comments what's been your biggest battle: dust, fingerprints, or sneaky residues. I've seen them all, so let's compare notes. Thanks for watching, now go create something amazing.